Hello, my name is Alper Yashar and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. When setting up a new measurement alert, you might want to test it out if you are able to receive alerts from our Swift Sensors console. You can test this by using our Test Alert feature. To do so, please navigate to the alert you want to test. Please click on it, and then click on the Test button. Once you are here, you can click on the blue bell icon to send out the test alert. The test alert should send out in a few seconds. Please confirm that all of the associated users received the test alert. These are a few examples of what the email and text message would look like. If you have users that did not receive the test alert, please make sure that their emails and phone numbers are verified within the Swift Sensors console. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.